Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you what are hot stocks. How to recognize these hot stocks in the stock market. Now a hot stock is that stock in which the investors are willingly investing in that stock for uh, for future gains and profits. Now these stocks are those that are mostly traded in the stock market. Either heavy trading happens in those stocks, either buying or selling. Both of these are happening. If both of these are happening in a single stock in a single company, then that stock is known as a hot stock. There is one other stock as well, a slow stock. I will be explaining that in the next video. So what this video is all about. How do you trade a hot stock? Now a hot stock is that stock in which heavy trading happens a day and between the trading hours. Both the buyers are interested in investing in that stock, and sellers are gaining their profits, taking out profits from that stock. Now how do you trade these hot stocks? Sorry about this one. A hot stock is something that is traded when the stock market opens. A hot stock is trading second by second and minute by minute. As the price fluctuation happens day sorry over time, then this means that that stock is a hot stock trading most frequently. Now in my case I would show you some of the stocks that are hot stocks. Now this one, the Pakistan refineries, Lucky Cement, Unity Foods. Now these are traded most frequently. Ups and downs happens in those. Let me show you one in case. Ups and downs happens in these things, and a stock is up on the first day the stock is up, and on the second day the stock is down. These type of things happens in the stock market. Now where is it? I saw no, yes, this one, Rafan Maize Products. Now this stock is a slow stock because you can see that its price is too much. So trading happens in those, but in lesser amount, not in high amount. In less amount trading happens in those, and they are traded, but they are lessly traded. This is a slow stock. Now let me show you this Unity Foods. It is also a stock that is trading most frequently. I've invested in this stock recently, but I've sold that stock and not recently, but a few months before. After that, the price rose, and I was not in that stock. Now these stocks are, you'll have to, in these type of stocks, you'll in the country you live in, you'll have to find out the stocks that are traded most frequently, and write that down somewhere. And also when you write those down, and also look for opportunities on where to invest in these type of stocks. What is the entry point in these type of stocks? How would you enter in that type of stocks, and what will be your entry point? Oh, this is not loading. Yes, like how what is the entry point in these type of stocks? So you'll have to recognize these type of, do your technical analysis, do your risk management, take profits, do all of that things, and wait for the right moment to enter into the market and invest in that market, and you can hopefully make profit out of it. So by now you should have understand what is a hot stock. So a hot stock is, you'll have to look for opportunities. Well, these are the stocks that investors buy, and trading happens in those mostly. You can see that this stock 33.70. Now this chart is loading, taking too much time. It's okay, but I'm going to be explaining much more. Our plot moving average and parabolics are my favorite. Now this is a great position to enter into the market. This area, the prices rose again. This is a great position to enter into the market, at this level, and move along the market. Now you will have to wait for. Do not believe in these type of signs, because they can sometimes be true or sometimes false. So do not believe in this type of market. Always wait for the market to give you some positive results. What results will it give you? For the what results will it give you so that you can profit from it? Now you can see that this one is a dodgy star, so I will wait for it to show me what will happen next in this next in the market. So so you can see that this is a hot stock. Now where I've invested in this market, I will show you that I've invested in at this level. Stocks went up. Now at this level my broker told me that to sell the stock at this level, and I've listened to him and sold the stock. And then you can see that what happened. I've sold the stock at this was my mistake of listening to the to my broker. He told me to sell the stock at this level because on this day, sorry, on this day the market was down. The market was down, and this stock was trading heavily. Like buying was happen, people were buying in this, investors were buying in this market, and in on this day the market was up but this stock was down. So on that basis the broker told me that to sell the stock. Never and you can see that the indicators does not show any signs of bearishness, so wait for it to give you some positive results. So that's all about a hot stock. That's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.